Ayan mga kabicolana, ito po ang ating kakainin ngayon. Tawag po dito ay ginataan. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa atin ang pangmalakasang kape sa umaga para tayo ay mabuhay ang ating dugo. Let's go guys! Kain na tayo ng almusal. Enjoy watching! Good morning mga kabicolana. Mega love shout out po sa ating lahat dyan, sa ating mga viewers, and sa ating mga legit friends dito sa YT. Good morning po sa ating lahat. Ayan, meron ako ditong ginatan, kung tawagin dito sa Bicol, ginatan, at meron ako ditong coffee. Ito yung magiging almusal natin ngayong umaga para sa ating pampalakas ng katawan sa ating mga gawaing bahay. Let's go guys, let's eat! Ang mga laman nito guys ay may saging, may kamote, may sagu, kamoting kahoy, at very creamy. Very creamy siya guys. Napakasarap guys. Ayan, magsa-shoutout tayo sa ating mga teams dyan. Sa lahat ng teams na nagsusupport sa aking channel, and especially sa aking teams, Team Happy Lang and Team Bulaklak. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan. God bless everyone.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here
Super busog guys, super sarap. Napaka creamy ng ating ginatan. And ang ating coffee naman ay mainit pa. Maya-maya natin iinumin. Tikman nga natin. Ayan, mainit pa. Tubig na muna tayo at mainit pa ang ating coffee. Ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Nabusog na ang inyong Ate Ann Bicolana. God bless everyone and keep safe. Thank you.